Hello students, welcome to the fourth session of Tools and Methods in Cyber Crime. In today's session, we will discuss different categories of password cracking. Passwords are stored in a database and password verification is established into the system when a user attempts to log in or access a restricted resource. To ensure confidentiality of passwords, the password verification data is usually not stored in a clear text format. For example, encryption function is applied to the password, possibly in combination with the other data, and resulting value is stored. When a user attempts to log in to the system by entering the password, the same function is applied to the entered value and the result is compared with the stored value. If they match, user gains the access. This process is called authentication. Password cracking attacks can be classified under three categories. First one, online attacks. Second, offline attacks. And third one, non-electronic attacks. In non-electronic attacks, examples are social engineering, shoulder surfing, and dumpster diving. These all three types we have discussed in Unit 2. In this unit, we will discuss online attacks and offline attacks. Online attacks, an attacker can create a script file, that is automated program, that will be executed to try each password in a list, and when matches, an attacker can gain the access to the system. The most popular online attack is man-in-middle attack, also termed as bucket brigade attack or sometimes called as genius attack. Here, the attacker establishes a connection between a victim and the server to which a victim is connected. Second one is offline attacks. Offline attacks usually require physical access to the computer and copying the password file from the system onto removable media. There are different types of offline password attacks. First one, dictionary attack. Here, attacker attempts to match all the words from the dictionary to get the password. Second one, hybrid attack. Here, attacker substitutes number and symbols to get the password. Third one, brute force attack. Here, attacker attempts to all possible permutation and combinations of letters, numbers, and special characters. Now we will discuss strong, weak, and random passwords. The first one is weak passwords. A weak password is one which could be easily guessed, short, common, and system default password that could be easily found by executing a brute force attack and by using a subset of all possible passwords. So following are some examples of weak passwords. Common personal name. The user gives common name as password, just like Sachin, Rohit, Ram, etc. which is considered as weak password which can be easily cracked. Second, repeated letters can be guessed easily. Giving repeated characters as a password is a sign of weak password. Third one, common name for a pet, also a dictionary word. Sometimes user gives password as the name of their pet and it also considered as weak password. Fourth, the combination of sequence of characters and followed by sequence of numbers can be easily guessed. Fifth, keeping password as admin can be easily guessed. Sixth one, giving sequence of numbers can be also easily guessed. Seventh, a sequence of adjacent letters on many keyboards that kept as password is a sign of weak password. Eighth, keeping password as date, possibly of personal importance. The date on something happened with the user and keeping that date as a password is also a weak password. NBUSR123 is probably a username and if so can be very easily guessed. Simple letter substitutions are pre-programmed into password cracking tools. So characters which look like password can be easily guessed. 11th, keeping password as password can be easily guessed. 12th, using the date of a forced password change is very common. Keeping the date on which we want to change the password as a password is also a sign of weak password. So these are the combinations of weak password. So that's it for today's session. In next session, we will study what is strong password and what is random password.